Hi and welcome to the fifth section of this course. Tangled web? Not at all. The web is becoming the face of technology and the central access point for data processing. Though shell scripting cannot do everything that languages like PHP can do on the web, there are still many tasks to which shell script are ideally suited. In this section we will explore some videos that can be used to parse website content, download and obtain data, send data to forms, and automate website usage tasks and similar activities. We can automate many activities that we perform interactively through a browser with a few lines of scripting. Access to the functionalities provided by the HTTP protocol with command line utilities enables us to write scripts that are suitable for solving most of the web automation utilities. Have fun while going through the videos of this section. Now we move on to the first video of section 5, downloading from a web page. In this video we'll see how to download a file or web page from a given URL. Few command line download utilities are available to perform this task. wget is a file download command line utility. It's very flexible and can be configured with many options. Let's see how to do it. A web page or a remote file can be downloaded by using wget as follows. For example, it's also possible to specify multiple download URLs as follows. Usually files are downloaded with the same file name as in the URL, and the download log information or progress is written to standard out. You can specify the output file name with the -o option. If the file with the specified file name already exists, it will be truncated first and the downloaded file will be written to the specified file. You can also specify a different log file path rather than printing logs to standard out by using the -o option. By using the preceding command, nothing will be printed on screen. The log or progress will be written to the log, and the output file will be deloaded_file.img. There is a chance that downloads might break due to unstable internet connections. In that case, we can use the number of tries as an argument, so that once interrupted, the utility will retry the download that many times before giving up. To specify the number of tries, use the -t flag as follows. Or to ask wget to keep trying indefinitely, use -t as follows. The wget utility has several additional options that can be used under different problem domains. Let's go through a few of them. Restricting the download speed. When we have a limited internet bandwidth and many applications are sharing the internet connection, if a large file is given for download, it will suck all the bandwidth and may cause other processes to starve for the bandwidth. The wget command comes with a built-in option to specify the maximum bandwidth the download job can possess. Hence, all the applications can simultaneously access the internet fairly. We can restrict the speed limits in wget by using the --limit-rate argument as follows. In this command, k, kilobyte, specifies the speed limit. You can also use m for megabyte. We can also specify the maximum quota for the download. It will stop when the quota is exceeded. It's useful when downloading multiple files limited by the total download size. This is useful to prevent the download from accidentally using too much disk space. Use --quota or -Q as follows. Resume downloading and continue. If a download using wget gets interrupted before it is complete, we can resume the download from where we left off by using the -c option as follows. Copying a complete website. Mirroring. wget has an option to download the complete website by recursively collecting all the URL links in the web pages and downloading all of them like a crawler. Hence, we can completely download all the pages of a website. In order to download the pages, use the --mirror option as follows. Or use the following command. -l specifies the depth of web pages as levels. This means it will traverse only that many levels. It is used with the -r recursive. The -N argument is used to enable timestamping for the files. URL is the base URL for a website for which the download needs to be initiated. The -k or --convert -links option instructs wget to convert the links to other pages in a downloaded page to the local copy of those pages. Exercise discretion when mirroring other websites. Unless you have permission, only perform this for your personal use and don't do it too frequently. Accessing pages with HTTP or FTP authentication. Some pages require authentication for HTTP or FTP URLs. It can be obtained by using the --user and --password arguments. It is also possible to ask for a password without specifying the password in line. For this, use --ask -password instead of the --password argument. Great! We've successfully learned about downloading from a web page. In the next video, we'll see about downloading a web page as plain text.